This is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and in today's video I will show how you can enable the bootloader on this device. To start, make sure that your Samsung is connected with your computer. Now we will need to switch it off by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume down and power buttons, and at the power off menu, tap at the power off option. Now wait a few seconds for your smartphone to be completely shut down. Once it is, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons, and once you see the Samsung logo, let your finger off both of them. Now we should be booted directly into the Android recovery menu. Here you will need to, just select the Reboot to Bootloader option, and once it is selected, tap at the power key to confirm, and now your system will be restarted into the bootloader mode, as you can see. And that'll be it. Now in order to exit or quit it, or just exit this mode and restart your device into its normal operating state, you will need to press and hold the volume down and side power buttons for 7 seconds or more than 7 seconds, as it is stated in this instruction here. So let's do that as well. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.